Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in store. First, confirm your device, whether it is an iPhone or Apple Watch, is running current software for optimal performance. Open the wallet application on your device to begin adding a new card. You can seamlessly integrate credit, debit, or even prepaid cards from a wide range of participating financial institutions. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions to verify your card's details and complete the secure setup process, making your device ready for effortless payments. When you are ready to pay, first look for the familiar contactless payment symbol or the distinct Apple Pay logo at the point of sale. To activate Apple Pay on your iPhone, simply double-click the side button or, for older models, the home button. Authenticate your purchase swiftly using your preferred method, whether that is Face ID, Touch ID, or your personal passcode. Then, gently hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the card reader until you observe the word Done displayed on your screen, indicating a successful transaction. For convenient payments using your Apple Watch, first make sure it is securely positioned on your wrist and fully unlocked. To initiate the payment process, simply double-click the side button, which is located just beneath the digital crown on your watch. Your pre-selected default payment card will automatically appear on the display, prepared for immediate use. Gently position the face of your Apple Watch within a couple of centimeters of the store's contactless reader until you feel a soft vibration, confirming your transaction is complete. If you encounter any issues during a transaction, first check that your device's near-field communication, or NFC, is active, then simply attempt the payment again. It is always wise to double-check the total amount displayed on the card reader screen before you finalize any purchase. Remember, Apple Pay significantly boosts your security by never storing your actual card numbers directly on your device. For maximum protection of your financial information, always maintain a strong and unique passcode on both your iPhone and Apple Watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.